The journey from field to eco-friendly plate starts with the careful harvesting of the mature rice. The threshing chamber efficiently separates the rice grains from the stalks. The clean paddy is then collected in this hopper before moving on to processing. The journey begins here. These rice husks are loaded onto trucks, ready to be transformed into eco-friendly plates and cups at the mill. Once harvested, the rice husks are carefully transported from the fields to the factory, where they begin their transformation into eco-friendly plates.
The raw paddy enters the vibrating pre-cleaner, where the aspiration system lifts away lightweight dust and straw.
Check the dryness here.
Looks good, but I found a particle right here.
Okay, remove it and release the batch.
These husks, once considered waste, are now ready for the next step in becoming our eco-friendly plates and cups.
The journey complete, the bulk shipment of rice husks arrives at the state-of-the-art facility, ready to be transformed.
All right, paperwork's confirmed. Proceed to the receiving zone.
The approved dry rice husks are carefully transported by forklift into the clean raw material storage area, ready for the next stage of the process. Approved material leaves storage as measured rice husks enter the primary cleaning line. Air separation then removes the remaining lightweight dust. The remaining metal particles are removed by this powerful magnetic separator, ensuring the husks are completely clean before the washing stage. The process begins as the cleaned rice husks enter the washing tank. Powerful agitators gently circulate the material, removing any remaining surface dust. The washed rice husks are moved into the dewatering screw press, where mechanical pressure removes the excess water before drying. Here, the industrial hammer mill breaks the whole rice husks into coarse fiber particles. Fine brown rice husk fiber powder exits the mill through a sealed cyclone collection system. The milling system separates and collects the finished powder.
The plant cellulose fiber is carefully weighed and combined with the starch and rice husks, preparing for the molding process. Here in the ribbon blender, the rice husk powder, starch, and binders are thoroughly mixed to create a uniform blend.
The moisture causes the blend to form the molding compound. The once powdery blend transforms as the mixer kneads the fibers, starch, and water into a consistent moldable mass. The compound rests under carefully controlled conditions, allowing the moisture and natural binders to fully equalize.
The conditioned rice husk compound is loaded into the hoppers, then carried by the conveyor towards the molding presses. Here we see the second automated dosing head filling the cup mold with the eco-friendly rice husk material before it is indexed to the hot press.
The controlled drying process reduces residual moisture and stabilizes the molded fiber structure. The dried rice husk cups are now cooled on specialized racks. Filtered air circulates to ensure the sidewalls and rims remain perfectly stable.
An automatic collection system ensures that all usable fiber scraps are gathered and returned to the grinding stage.
Next, the rice husk plates pass under the finishing wheel, achieving a smooth surface while keeping that natural look. Here in the coating booth, a fine mist of biodegradable, food-safe protection is applied evenly to the surfaces of the plates and cups. As the conveyor moves through the curing tunnel, the warm airflow dries the coating into a stable, eco-friendly finish.
After curing, the plates are meticulously checked for any defects or cracks under bright light before moving down the line. The finished products then move along the stainless steel conveyor into a controlled sanitation chamber for sterilization before packaging.
Once the plates and cups are packaged, they are stacked here in the warehouse, ready for shipment across the country.
The result: beautiful, durable, and completely biodegradable plates and cups, ready for the finest dining.